Hello and welcome to English Fluency Hacks. I'm your host, Sarah, and I'm so happy you're here with me today. This is the podcast for English learners who want to improve their speaking skills and become more confident. In today's episode, we have 3 exciting topics to help you on your journey. First, we'll talk about easy, everyday tips to grow your vocabulary. Then, we'll explore some simple techniques to help you learn English faster. And finally, I will explain a powerful technique called shadowing that will make your pronunciation sound more natural. Are you ready? Let's get started. All right, let's jump into our first topic, everyday vocabulary tips. Sometimes learning new words feels like a big task, right? But it doesn't have to be. Here are a few simple hacks you can start using today. Hack number 1. Label everything in your house. Yes, you heard me right. Get some sticky notes and a pen. Walk around your room and write the English name for things you see. Put a note that says desk on your desk. Put one that says lamp on your lamp. Bed, window, chair. Do this in your kitchen too. Refrigerator, microwave, table. By doing this, you connect the word directly to the object. You see it every day, so you will remember it much more easily. It's a fun and visual way to learn. Hack number 2 is to use a Word of the Day app. There are many free apps for your phone. Every day, they give you one new word. Your mission is simple. Try to use that word at least once during the day. For example, if the word is amazing, you can say, "This coffee is amazing," or "I watched an amazing movie." This small daily habit can add over 300 new words to your vocabulary in just 1 year. Our next vocabulary hack is a bit brave but very effective. Change your phone's language to English. Think about it. You use your phone every day. By changing the language, you will learn essential words like settings, messages, call, accept, and decline. It might feel a little difficult for the first few days, but you will be surprised at how quickly you adapt. This is a great way to immerse yourself in English without leaving your home. Here's a bonus hack for you. Read things that are easy and fun. Think about children's books, comics, or graphic novels. They use simpler language and have pictures to help you understand the story. It's a low-pressure way to see new words used in sentences and makes reading in English much less intimidating. So, which of these tips will you try first? Now, let's move on to our second topic, techniques to speed up your learning. We all want to learn faster, and these simple mindset shifts can make a big difference. First, set small, specific goals. Many learners say, "My goal is to be fluent in English." That's a great goal, but it's very big and can feel overwhelming. Instead, break it down. A better goal is, "This week, I will learn 15 new words about travel." Or, "On Wednesday, I will speak with my language partner for 10 minutes. These small goals are achievable. When you achieve them, you feel successful and motivated to keep going. It's like climbing a big mountain, one small step at a time. The second technique is to learn with things you love. Do you love music? Listen to songs in English and look up the lyrics. Are you a fan of movies or TV shows? Watch them in English. You can start with subtitles in your own language and then switch to English subtitles. When you connect English to your hobbies, learning stops feeling like a chore. It becomes fun and interesting. For example, if you are a big fan of the Harry Potter books, try reading the first book in English. You probably already know the story, so you can focus on the language without getting lost. If you love football, follow your favorite teams on English language social media or watch interviews with the players in English. You learn because you are genuinely curious and enjoying yourself. And the most important technique of all, do not be afraid to make mistakes. I want to repeat that. Do not be afraid to make mistakes. Every single person who is fluent in a second language has made thousands of mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. They are a natural and necessary part of learning. So please speak, even if you are not sure if your grammar is perfect. Write, even if you don't know every word. Progress is more important than perfection. Think of it this way. If you wait until you can speak perfectly, you will never speak. But if you start speaking today, you will get closer to perfect every single day. So be brave. Okay, for our final topic today, I want to share one of my favorite techniques for improving pronunciation and fluency. It's called shadowing. It might sound mysterious, but it's actually very simple and incredibly powerful. So what is shadowing? Imagine you are walking behind someone and you are their shadow. You copy all of their movements. Shadowing in language learning is similar. You listen to a native English speaker and you repeat what they say, almost at the same time as they say it. You are literally being their voice's shadow. Here is how you can do it, step by step. Step 1, find a short audio clip. It can be from a podcast like this one, a scene from a TV show, or a YouTube video. It should be only 1 or 2 minutes long, and it's very important that you also have the text or transcript. Step 2, listen to the audio one time while reading the transcript. Make sure you understand the vocabulary and the meaning. Step 3, now play the audio again. This time, try to speak aloud along with the speaker. Don't wait for them to finish a sentence. Try to say the words at the exact same time. Your goal is to copy everything, the speed, the rhythm, and the intonation, which is the rise and fall of the voice. For example, if the speaker says, "I think it's going to rain later today," you try to say it exactly as they do, starting and finishing at the same time. It's like singing along to a song you know well. It will feel strange and difficult at first. That's okay. You might miss some words. Don't worry about being perfect. Just keep trying. The more you practice shadowing, the more your mouth and tongue will get used to making English sounds. This technique is fantastic because it trains you to sound more natural, improve your rhythm, and speak more smoothly. Give it a try for just 5 minutes a day, and you will notice a huge difference in your speaking. And that's all the time we have for today's episode of English Fluency Hacks. Let's quickly review what we learned. We talked about simple ways to build your vocabulary, like labeling things in your home. We discussed powerful techniques to learn faster, like setting small goals and not being afraid of mistakes. And finally, we learned how to use the shadowing technique to improve your pronunciation. My challenge for you this week is to choose just one of these ideas and try it. Just one. Thank you so much for listening. Your commitment to learning English is inspiring. Keep practicing, stay positive, and I'll talk to you in the next episode. Goodbye for now.